Good morning, teacher. My name is Luis Charco. Affirmative sentences fail. 1. I am going to study English every day. 2. My mother is going to go a special dinner tomorrow. 3. One are going to watch a movie tonight. 4. My father is going to start a new job in October. 5. I am going to call my favorite art class. Negative face sentences. 1. I am not going to my first work this morning. 2. My father is not going to work on the weekend. 3. They are not going to travel abroad this year. 4. My sentence is not going to buy a new pony. 5. I am not going to be late for the meeting. Thank you, teacher.